A reminder for all our costing champions that costing 15-day challenge test series is starting from tomorrow, that is 16th of March 2023. The registrations for the same are open but will be closing very soon in the next few hours. The midnight of 15th of March 2023, the registrations for the test series will close. So guys, if you're still waiting for it, don't wait for it. Download the mobile app, go to the store section and register for the test series, because this is a great opportunity to test your real preparation before the main examinations. How to download the mobile app, all the links are given in the description of this video, and the course link will be given in the pinned section, pinned comment of this particular video, right? So guys, all the best for your preparations, and there is a video detailed on how this 15-day challenge is going to be conducted. Do watch that video also. That will also be put in the pinned comment, so do watch it, register for the same, and let's be a costing champion together. Let's make it happen in the May 2023 attempt. All the best guys. See you there in the 15-day challenge test series.